Let me show you how we turn this into this. This is the Totally Repair Redi-Fix, a patching compound that brings a perfect blend of a cementitious and resin repair system into one ready-to-go tube. The Redi-Fix is a fast-setting, self-mixing repair product designed for accelerated repairs of holes, saw cuts, cracks, broken concrete and other areas of concrete and masonry repairs. We all know that having to mix or grab additional tools to prepare patching compound for repairs can be a pain. With the Totally Repair Redi-Fix, there are no additional tools and mixing required. Paired with a custom dispensing gun and self-mixing nozzle, the Totally Repair Redi-Fix is ready to go with just a pull of the trigger. Let's take a look at this sample we've prepared to show you how the Redi-Fix works. Before you start the repair work, ensure the surface is dry, clean and free of loose materials. Fit the self-mixing nozzle to the Redi-Fix cartridge and load it into the dispensing gun. Dispense resin via the dispensing gun trigger onto a scrap cardboard or plastic and allow the material to emerge from the nozzle until uniform colour is achieved. For holes, saw cuts and small cracks, simply apply the Redi-Fix into the repair area. For broken pieces of concrete, apply the Redi-Fix liberally to adhere the pieces back together. For deeper concrete damage, you can mix in native materials or aggregates for a more uniform flooring result. Colour matching can also be achieved by mixing tints with Redi-Fix material. When mixing Redi-Fix with tints or other materials, you'll need to work the material within a 5 to 10 minute window before setting starts to occur. Expect 20 to 30 minutes for the Redi-Fix to set after application. Once the Redi-Fix is set, it's just a matter of following your flooring process till you achieve your desired outcome. This one's a no-brainer for the toolkit, so grab your Redi-Fix today. It's quick, convenient and ready for any fix.